The first time I developed a blood clot, I had an accident while I was cycling and they fractured my pelvis. And I spent 4 days on the fracture ward, and then I was sent home. After I came home, I developed pains in the lower back. They weren't very strong pains, but as the week went on, they started to creep further up my back. And it must have been after about 7 or 8 days, I then started to get really severe pains in the back. I just couldn't breathe. I felt I was being crushed. And then on the Saturday night, I felt a little bit better, but I then coughed up a blood clot, which was probably about that size. And that was the first time then that we knew that there was a problem, when the doctor came out and said, oh, it's a blood clot on the lung, a pulmonary embolism. I didn't know anything about blood clots before this instance at all, till I had mine then, and then my mother said that, oh, my sister had died with a blood clot, and then after I'd had it, my cousin died with a blood clot as well. I started cycling when I was 12 years of age. I compete in time trials, and it's a sport that you can do. It's not load bearing. We've got people cycling that's 80 years of age. In the local hospital, they've got photographs on the ward there of my nephew Mark Jenkins, who was a British champion triathlete, and Freddie Flintoff, the cricketer, showing that they have had blood clots. So no matter how fit you are, you can end up with having a blood clot. I think it's important that people should ask about clots because it's very life-threatening.